Alright, the first stuff I used didn't work. So I found some of this stuff at a craft store. It's for embroidery, but it's a braided, real fine silky string, so I'm hoping it slides on the pulleys well. It's really pretty strong. I also found this waxed leather craft thread, which I think I'll try later if this doesn't work. But this looks like it's more fraying. It's like just like a thread that's waxed, so this is like a little braided cord. Anyway, it sewed up pretty good. The back looks pretty straight. And I've tried this out. It seems to be pretty decent. Tightened it up. Gets a little bit of gap in there. Not bad. There she goes. Try a higher speed. Make sure it's in there right. Oops. Make sure it's on the pulley. A little bit thinner than the other one. Not bad, real quiet actually for the belt. The whining is the gears. We'll try this for a while.